That is nice.
Members of the LGBT community from all over New Jersey and their allies are coming together today to honor their lives that were lost in Orlando and realize the amount of work that we have to do moving forward. It's hearts to open and minds to change, and we need to stand together as a strong community that speaks out against discrimination and injustice.
Keep on talking, keep on walking, keep on talking, what? Keep on walking, keep on talking, keep on.